Guys, look at that beautiful stuffed chili. We've got it filled with some chicken taco meat and cheese and covered in a beautiful souffle batter. You're going to enjoy this one.
Well, howdy folks, I'm S.A.Trotter and this is Texas Cooking Today. Hey, what you're going to be making today is going to be some delicious food, and this is one of my recipe videos. Now if you get to the end of this and you're wondering how to pull off this, that, or the other, I'll tell you what, there's another show on this very same recipe. It's one of my tutorials. So I'll tell you what, it'll be the next episode after this one. Take a look at that. Those are really full of information. Now guys, thank you for watching. Let's get right into making this. Now guys, you saw that picture. It's a gorgeous chili relleno. Man, I tell you what, when you try this, you're going to absolutely be floored. This is a wonderful traditional Mexican dish, all right? In fact, so traditional, it's even taught at the University of Mexico in Mexico City. In their culinary department, this is one of the standard recipes that's taught there. So what I want to teach you how to do today is how to make a real chili relleno. Guys, if you've never had one, then you're in for a treat. And if you've had them, then you already know how delicious these things can really be. And so you'll know what that means. Chili relleno, which is a chili that's stuffed. That's what relleno means, okay? And so we're just going to be stuffing a chili with some cheese, but it's all about that batter. I'm going to show you how to make a batter that is stellar. It's called a souffle batter. Now guys, let's get in the kitchen and let's make us a chili relleno. Come on. Okay guys, here we have it. Some beautiful ingredients for our chili relleno. We've got some cheese, chicken, eggs, flour, and of course those big beautiful chilies. On this one you can use any kind of chili you want, but I'm recommending you use a poblano. They're meaty, they're delicious, they aren't very hot, and they've got a lot of space to stuff things inside of them. So it's a great chili for this, and it's probably the most commonly used chili for this dish, for good reason. When you try it, you'll know. Now guys, we've just got to get the skin off of the chilies and get them de-seeded, and we're ready to go stuffing, battering, and frying. That's all there is to it. Let's get on with this. Okay guys, so you'll know a couple of things you'll need. You're going to need a pan that's really wide, and you're going to want about 1.5 inches of frying oil in it so we can deep fry these goodies. The first thing we have to do is to cook the skin off of the outside of this, and the best way is just to put it directly on the fire, turn that on, and it blisters it, chars it, and then we can wash our skin off. Guys, once you have charred that chili like this all the way around, just go ahead and pull that skin off. That's all you have to do, and then we'll open it up and de-seed it. Now, guys, as you see here, I have removed the skin from my chili. I've de-seeded it, opened it up. This is very easy to do, and once you get used to handling poblanos, this goes really quick. Now all I have to do is stuff this with my cheese and chicken, dunk it in batter, and get it fried in a big old pan of oil. It's time for us to stuff our chili. Now when it comes time for this, just go ahead, put your cheese and meat in there, as much of each as you want, and we're ready to then batter it and throw it in our oil. Guys, once you have your relleno ready to go, and this is also a nice thing, remember to keep a stem, and if you need something to hold the other end, use a little skewer or a toothpick, and it allows you to hold this thing from both sides. You get better traction on it as you gently put it in the oil, and there's less chance of splashing any oil or messing up your batter as it goes in. So this is important to do this well, and a little skewer like this can be very helpful. All right, now we have that in there. We've got it frying up, guys. I want to take this, and it's time to turn it. I'll hold it in place for just a moment. Sometimes they do get a little bit stubborn, where they want to flip themselves over. And all that is just items settling inside the chili as it's cooking. Oh, guys, let me tell you, this thing is delicious.
Chile rellenos, one of my favorite dishes. There's so many different ways to dress it up. You use the cheese of your choice. Just make sure it's one that'll melt good. Monterey Jack, wonderful. Mozzarella, cheddar, anything you want to throw in there. Whatever meat you want. Just make sure your meats are pre-cooked, okay? And you're going to end up with a fabulous dish. Please give it a try. I would like to say thank you very much, folks, for watching Texas Cooking Today, for watching this episode. If you would, please subscribe if you haven't done so. If you would, please click like. If this show didn't answer all your questions, the next episode, which is the tutorial to the same recipe, will certainly answer any questions you have. Check that out. Guys, thanks for watching again, and if you would, just have a good day. I'm going to have a good lunch. Bye-bye. Well, guys, once again, thank you very much for watching this show, for watching Texas Cooking Today. If you would, please go to my channel, check things out there. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. I've got stuff coming out every single Thursday, so watch closely. There's some really good stuff coming your way. And thank you again for watching Texas Cooking Today.